This health capsule is about homely ways to get over your cough and its symptoms. Just like sneezing, coughing can happen anytime. A cough can either be dry or productive, which means accompanied by mucus. Basically, it is a mechanism to clear your throat and airways. However, persistent coughing can cause headache, exhaustion, and sleeplessness. If accompanied by an itchy throat and congestion, it can play havoc with your temperament. This problem can be caused by exposure to irritants, common cold, flu, allergies, asthma, postnasal drip, bronchitis, and cigarette smoking. Most over-the-counter cough medications can spark side effects. Try some natural and safe home remedies for relief. Take half a cup of water in a boiling pot. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon honey. You may also add cinnamon sticks. Boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes and drink this daily until the condition improves. Take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon honey. Heat this mixture in a microwave until it becomes warm and drink this syrup several times a day. Take a cup of water, then take some fresh ginger, peel, slice and crush it lightly. Then boil this ginger. Strain this solution and drink this ginger tea for about 2 to 3 times a day. Time for some tips to help you get relief from cough. When dealing with persistent cough, apply some vapor rub on your feet before going to sleep. Take plenty of fluids, warm liquids in particular. You can also suck a hard candy to ease dry cough. And if your cough causes shortness of breath or persists for several weeks, consult a doctor. Sure, you're feeling better now? So now do not forget to cover your mouth when sneezing, otherwise others may catch cold.
To explore more time-tested home remedies, check out our website at top10homeremedies.com. Know of other successful remedies? Share with us.